Hello, good morning, friends. Today is 14th of December 2023. This video will be in English. इस वीडियो में हम लोग ओवरऑल मार्केट करेंसी कमोडिटी और इंडेक्स को एक बार जल्दी जल्दी देख लेंगे। लास्ट नाइट मेरा लाइव सेशन था फेडरल रिजर्व ओपन मार्केट कमेटी एज वी डिस्कस्ड। और लास्ट टाइम जैसे मैंने प्रोजेक्ट किया था स्टूडेंट्स के साथ, फेड इज नॉट गोइंग टू डू एनीथिंग, इट इज कीपिंग इंटरेस्ट रेट सेम इन दिसंबर मीटिंग, इट हैज केप्ट इट सेम 5.5%। और आप लोगों को याद होगा कि मैं ये भी बोल रहा था कि आई एम एमिंग फॉर रेट कट्स, वेरी लाइकली मार्च बीइंग द फर्स्ट चांस ऑफ रेट कट। आई थिंक फेडरल रिजर्व कल उसके प्रोजेक्शन में 50 बेसिस पॉइंट्स रेट कट इट हैज प्रोजेक्टेड फॉर 2024। सो लग रहा है मैं इस बारे में भी सही होऊंगा कि फेडरल रिजर्व मार्च को फर्स्ट रेट हाइक देने वाला है। So, as Federal Reserve indicated that it is in a more of a dovish mode, so interest rate dropped sharply for the first time. US 10-year interest rate is below the 4% level. So bond price has significantly gone up. So as interest rate drop, obviously we had pressure on the dollar. So now we look at the globe market through SD Rainbow Wave version 1, and we'll also apply the SD RSI-X. And we are using for foreign exchange, we will use it. So we are applying it for foreign exchange. We'll apply SD RSI-X as well. This is US government interest rate. So we'll come back now to our currency market dollar index. Let's look at dollar index. Dollar index, I said I'm not ready, broadly staying out, but now a sell signal has come in dollar after yesterday's move by Fed Chair Powell announcement that Fed is open to rate cut, and I now think that dollar, after reached my previous target and consolidated at 102.8. You can check my post in social for that. I think it has now potential to reach 102.14 to reach 101.66 area. The dollar short, yes, we can look for it. Euro USD, I was marginally short and it really paid off, as हम लोग डिस्कस किए कि स्क्वायरिंग ऑफ मेजॉरिटी ऑफ द पोजीशन एट 1.1076 के आसपास जो माइनर फोमो पोजीशन है दैट विल स्क्वायर ऑफ टुडे। And I'll keep in mind, rather, if this is a full green candle comes up, I'm ready to go for some long positions. But today, another trend changing event is scheduled, which is European Central Bank meeting. So be very careful on that. GBP USD, I was holding marginal short. इसमें मेरा लॉस होने वाला है, बट थैंकफुली द वी डिस्कस्ड कि ये जो पोजीशन था और मैंने लिया कि छोटा पोजीशन, बिकॉज दिस वाज अ कॉन्ट्रा सेल सिग्नल। कॉन्ट्रा सेल सिग्नल बहुत बार फेल होता है, तो एज अ बिगिनिंग जब हम लोग स्टार्ट कर रहे हैं कोई ट्रेड में, इट्स बेटर टू स्टार्ट विद द फोमो और द पाइल आउट पोजीशन। तो इसमें स्क्वायर ऑफ रहेगा मेन मेरा थीम, और ये मार्केट खुलने के 15 मिनट्स बाद ही मैं स्क्वायर ऑफ कर दूंगा। This trade, very majority I have squared off. So छोटा सा position ही है, but it has made a whooping comeback, awesome move in Japanese yen. Japanese yen was the best performer yesterday night among foreign exchange. And you can see the massive drop, massive comeback in the presence of the bears. And I think Japanese yen, looking at how it is moving, it does have the potential to reach this flat region of 134 with some interim stopover, obviously 140.41, 139.43, 139. But very likely it is heading towards 133.8 area, because market is sensing a major change under the fundamental, a monetary policy divergence. Federal Reserve is going to cut interest rate. whereas Bank of Japan is planning to hike interest rate or actually move away from its easing policy. So we have a monetary policy divergence trade. So let's look at JPY INR. My focus will be to build long. Obviously, I'm not playing for just today. I think it has potential to come back and finally test the 61.5, though interim stopover very likely. 59 area बहुत ही स्ट्रॉन्ग प्रूव होगा ब्रेक करने के लिए 59 8 to 59.35. This area will prove very tough, but I think USD JPY जैसे ट्रेंड चेंज हुआ, JPY INR also have lot of potential. So मूव काफी बड़ा हो चुका है. So मेरा जो पहला आउटलुक रहेगा, हाउ टू एंटर दिस पोजीशन. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, further chota position already hai. I will just add on it, add some quantities, and let's see how Bank of Japan reacts to, means not Bank of Japan, Japanese yen reacts after the main another round of main event, जो यूरोपियन सेंट्रल बैंक मीटिंग जो आज शाम को है, साथ में बैंक ऑफ इंग्लैंड का पॉलिसी मीटिंग भी आ रहा है. Next is GBP INR. GBP INR, first of all, I was a FOMO short. आप लोगों को दिख रहा है क्यों? Complete exit आया नहीं है. We have not hit the stop loss. But background color जो देखिए green हो गया, इसका मतलब short trend is now bullish. So, or Fed का, so overall a bit outlook changing. So I'm not confident कि मैं ये FOMO position अभी भी hold करूं. Rather I'll square off. I'll keep an open mind and see how it goes. अगर ये ऊपर break करता है, then it will be a superb chance to go long. But अभी भी candle red और green के बीच में है, so more patience from my side. But largely GBP INR, if it starts breaking higher, I'll be looking for long positions. Euro INR, we had a very good ride on the upside. It got spoiled in between. It came down. Obviously, tested good level in Euro USD 1.076 और अब ये opposite side move कर रहा है. So the sell is over, sell game. Now we are looking for more buy side opening up possibility. But jump करने से पहले ध्यान रखिएगा कि today is another mega event coming up. European Central Bank का जो मीटिंग है, it is coming up next. ये जो ट्रेड है इसमें मैं मार्जिनल लॉस करने वाला हूं बिकॉज यू नो आई हैव शॉर्टेड XAU USD. इट हैज कम बैक. ये रिस्क था ही. आई ऑलवेज न्यू इट दैट फेडरल रिजर्व इज अ ट्रेंड चेंजिंग इवेंट. So that's why, and we are moving to the holiday season. So I've been warning that I'll prefer to keep position on the lighter side. So light position है, but nevertheless ये loss में square off होगा. Background is red. Really not thinking about buying. It's more of a exit or stop loss it we can think of, but rather I'm not looking for immediately jumping to buy. I want a minimum background turned green. XAG USD in hindsight it is now looking, मैं जो exit किया था एकदम बहुत ही बढ़िया exit था. अब हाइंडसाइट में देख के लग रहा है, कल तो लग रहा था कि मैं एग्जिटेड अर्ली, बट ऑब्वियसली आई सेड दैट आई विल नॉट एंटर, आई विल नॉट जंप टू एंटर since I've exited at 22.85. Silver dropped a bit farther around 22.657 around, but I booked higher. But now looking at behind that, looking, it was a good decision. Looks like Federal Reserve dovish monetary policy pushed the dollar lower and gold silver higher. So that's it on the currency side. Quickly, let's look at the commodities. This is a common video I'm making today. I have a session coming up, a live session for the whole day. So I'm really not means I'm doing this whole thing together, currency, commodities together. So in natural gas, not much has changed. We are still in a bearish mode. It has stopped for a bit. Consolidation probability has gone up somewhat, but it remains very, very bearish. Let's look at copper, international copper. From the momentum, you can see a comeback is happening in the copper, but the market remains still a far away from being a bullish. It's a mixed market situation, as you can see. Silver, we had a big jump. We have already seen the chart. Let's look at crude oil. Crude oil, already we discussed that last commodity discussion that the sell-off has somewhat paused. It is remains in the bearish hand broadly. So let's change this to commodity setup for once. So here the meter is going to change. ये जो मीटर में चेंज हो गया देखिए. So overall जो commodity वो battered था, but ये डॉलर के बाद since dollar is falling, ये commodity across the commodity हम लोग एक rising format देख पा रहे हैं in strength. So overall commodities are coming back from a bottom, but they may not be in a right position कि हम लोग aggressively buy trend या aggressively buy खेले into this comeback. ये जो strength rise हो रहा है उसमें हम लोग participate करें. So crude still मेरा outlook is on the sell side. It has paused. It has reached a very important support level. This is the trench bottom. This was the target. ये target मैंने announce किया था जब crude oil was around this level and around this area that it is going to drop towards this. But now with this very important support being tested, I think crude can spend some more time in this region. Momentum में वो clarity अभी भी है नहीं. And so overall यही रहे मेरा currency and commodity picture. This video जो मैं बना रहा हूँ, this is largely for rainbow users and also ताकि मैं देख सकूं पीछे मेरा क्या व्यू था. मैं बोल रहा हूं कि मेरा व्यू है मार्च रेट कट फ्रॉम फेडरल रिजर्व, तो मेरा जो व्यू है वो मैं फिर से वापस जाके देख सकता हूं. दिस इज मोर ऑफ अ वीडियो ब्लॉग. एक चीज ध्यान रखिएगा, ट्रेडिंग इटसेल्फ इज अ वेरी वेरी रिस्की बिजनेस. मेजॉरिटी पीपल लूज देयर मनी. If you're losing your money, it is you have some probably some planning issue, trading plan issue, whatever it is, some issue is definitely going on. It is never recommended that you keep on losing money. इससे बेहतर है you keep your money into mutual funds, exchange traded funds, and there you can beat the inflation and generate wealth for yourself. So that's all from my side. Thank you so much for watching. All the best and happy trading for today. Two main events coming up. One is down, FOMC is down. Two coming up, Bank of England and European Central Bank interest rate decisions. So all the best from my side.